Buen dia!
Hi, buen dia!
Buen dia!
Hi, we are back here in Ohana Wave,
Guess with who?
and our bird is here. His name is Wacko. See? This is Wacko. He's a Macaw bird, no? So before Keanu, Wacko is our baby.
Our first baby.
Mm-hmm. Oh,
Hello.
see? He says hello. His name.
Oh, it's okay.
Hi.
I love you.
Introduce yourself. You say, I'm Wacko. You say, I love you. Oh, say, I am Wacko.
Wacko.
I love you. You forgot that I love you? Yeah, and then, one trivia, Wacko's birthday is our anniversary. It was
Yeah.
very coincident. So, how old Wacko now? That's how long we are together. That's the time how we became together, yeah. So, Wacko's birthday is March 14. So, March 14? 15.
One of those days.
Basta March. Yeah, so that's the time Crystal and I met. So, Wacko is here. So, Wacko was gone for like maybe 4 months already.
Longer.
When Keanu
Well,
was born, maybe
right
3
before
months.
Keanu was born.
So we will try to fly him tomorrow. So I hope he will cooperate with the rest of the birds. There will be more birds tomorrow coming. Like 8 macaw birds tomorrow. So we have a group, it's called Macaw Flyers Philippines. So if you want macaw also like this, you may contact us. You may contact me and Crystal. We will show you how to take care of. Look at Wacko. Say something, Wacko. Hi. What? What did you say?
Who is that?
You say hello. Say hi. Hello. Wacko.
There you go. He's back.
He's back.
Oh, he's so beautiful. I
What?
love you.
Oops.
Oops.
Wacko is used to be a good flyer. So we just let him free fly here in the beach.
So
he's
many tricks.
Yeah, he's a good flyer. But he's back to zero right now. So he's like a baby again. Come here, come here, come here. Oh, come here, come here, come here.
I keep looking up. I'm like, is there gonna be a falcon coming?
Because last time we like hanging out here in our balcony, and then there's one falcon roaming around.
Yo, looking at him. It was so crazy.
Hello.
Hello.
So Wacko is really part of our life with
Keanu.
like, look there.
Hi, baby.
Look who's coming.
Hi, honey.
Oh, look who just woke up.
Oh,
Who
come
just
here.
woke up.
Oops. More other baby.
Other baby just woke up. Look. There.
The family's complete.
Our other baby just woke up.
Hi, kiddo.
Achoo!
Bless
Bless
you.
you.
Siya eh. Gusto niyang lumabas.
You see Wacko, Keanu?
That's Wacko.
That's Wacko.
Oh, he's interested. Now we get to hang out all together.
Keanu is here and Wacko. This is the BUENS.
Our family's complete. Now we have our 2 babies. Our 2 babies. Whoop.
I love you.
I love you. We love you guys.
I love you.
We gotta get Wacko saying I love you again. That was his first words, diba?
I think he still say it.
When he's super happy.
Yeah.
Yeah. He maybe hasn't heard it in a while. I love you, I love you, I love you. That's the color yellow. Wacko is the color yellow.
I know what color. Wacko, what color? Achoo. Oops. Bless you.
What colors are Wacko?
Yellow and blue.
Blue, yellow, and a little bit of green.
He's probably wondering, why is he moving? What is that creature?
I
Why
only
is
saw
he
this in my pictures when I do tummy time.
Next time, he's so fluffy.
Oh my god!
Look, mommy. Boom, boom.
Oh my. He's like, yeah. Yeah.
Where's Wacko with one hand?
Oh.
That's Dana.
This is the other one.
Yeah, that's the other one.
This is how I roll.
The
It fits him perfectly. Bless you.
Bless you.
Bless you.
Yeah,
Oh, salmon.
because in reality, Crystal is really afraid of Wacko.
From a distance.
So she doesn't want to touch Wacko without me. So the challenge is she will touch Wacko without me helping her to touch
Wacko.
Wacko.
Wacko!
Yeah.
He's busy.
Because animals, pets, or any kind, dogs, cats, if they can sense if you are afraid of them. So the more they can sense that you are afraid. Sige, thank you, BUENS. The more they will
Bite back.
bite back. Or like that. So Wacko doesn't want her tails to be touched, but since I'm his daddy, he let me touch his wings, his tails, and then his head like this, and then beak. Yeah.
I used to.
Go, go, go. She used to go.
I did!
Then,
I really did!
Go, go.
He's not looking at me.
It's been 3 minutes.
He's not looking at me.
You have to go.
Okay. Hi, Wacko.
You touch the beak first, babe, di ba?
Hi. Let me. Mommy. Remember, mommy? Mommy, do you remember mommy? Fuck you. Mommy. Hi. Hi, honey. Hello.
So that's it?
That's it.
What? You haven't touched the head.
Wait, he warms up to me. We have a routine. I touch it 3 times and then I pet his head. Trust me and him have a thing. We have a thing. He lowers his head when he knows that he wants to be pet. When you touch it 3 times. I don't know. It's just a thing.
Sige, touch the head. Touch the head.
No.
So he will get used to it. Like, sige, touch it. Sige, kasi my hands is here. Buen dia!